Hi, job seekers. Do you want to accelerate your career with Alumax? Alumax is on the hunt for a talented site manager and workshop manager to join their dynamic team in Swakopmund. This is your opportunity to thrive in a leading industry and make a real difference. Ready to take the leap? Apply now at jobopportunities.net or click the link in the video description. Don't wait. Your next career milestone is just one click away. Your job hunting ally awaits at jobopportunities.net. Introducing your personal chatbot assistant, here to make your job search seamless and successful. Find it conveniently in the bottom right corner of our platform. How the chatbot can help you. Land your dream job with tailored guidance. Navigate the website effortlessly. Create standout CVs and cover letters with ease. Getting started is easy. Visit jobopportunities.net. Click the chatbot icon and let it guide you every step of the way. Start your journey today. Explore opportunities, get expert support, and unlock your next big career move. Success is just a click away. Embark on your career adventure with Nawa. Why wait for your dream job to come to you? At Nawa, we turn aspirations into achievements. From securing your ideal role to acing interviews and crafting a standout CV, we provide the tools and opportunities you need to succeed. Your journey to success starts here. Discover opportunities, find roles that align with your ambitions. Enhance your skills, gain expert advice to boost your career. Stay inspired. Count on us to support you every step of the way. Take action now. Like for career tips and new opportunities. Subscribe for exclusive updates to fuel your growth. Share to empower others. Success is better when shared. Greetings from the stunning shores of Swakopmund. At Nawa, we believe in dreaming big, working smart, and celebrating every victory. Your success story is waiting to be written, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. The future belongs to those who take the first step. Let's create it together. Until next time, keep dreaming big and seizing every opportunity. See you soon.